Hello, John. As you know, I am patient coordinator here at Dent, and I would just like to ask you a couple of questions of your dental experience here with us. If you could please share a moment with us, please.
Ready with it.
Hello, how are you?
Very good, very good.
Your name, sir,
Vince Tranquina.
and where are you from?
I'm from the Los Angeles area.
Okay, good. And how was your experience here at Dentart, and what procedures did you have done?
Well, my experience was really fantastic because I needed a full bite restoration.
Mhm.
This is something I could never really have afforded to have done at all in the States, and miraculously I was able to do it here.
Mhm.
And I had several extractions, a root canal. I'm having an implant. It was all done with absolutely the most professional techniques, skills, and facilities and technology I've ever experienced in a
Okay.
dental office anywhere.
Good.
So I'm thrilled.
Okay, so the installations you thought they were good and you were happy with them.
Absolutely the most modern, comfortable.
Okay. And how about the hotel you stayed at, Lucerna Hotel?
Oh, Lucena was wonderful. Beautiful hotel. Very good food.
Good.
Affordable and lovely people. Very helpful people.
Very nice, right?
And it's just extraordinary. I had a wonderful time there. People were very helpful.
Yeah.
And also for American visitors, no language problem at all. Everyone who works in the hotel in an
Would speak
administrative
English.
position speaks perfect English. Everyone here speaks English. And there was absolutely no problem getting around town, and the service was fabulous.
Okay, good. So can you say you had a pleasant visit here?
I had a wonderful visit here.
Okay, and
And I'm happy to come back.
okay, and can we have a little smile at the camera
Yeah.
to see your wow,
I'm not even used to smiling.
that's
I've been so self-conscious about my smile. But,
dramatic change. Very, very nice.
yeah.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Vince, and we hope to hear from you soon, and any other people that would need dental work, so you could probably
I will
recommend.
definitely be recommending you.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
you.